Guys, today we're gonna make a savory crepe. The key to making a really beautiful one is buckwheat flour. It's gluten-free. This looks robust, gorgeous, and textured. I like it. We start with 2 eggs. 1, 2. This might seem a little bit weird, but I think mayo works really, really well in the place of melted butter. So just a little bit like that. And here's some whole milk. These are the wet ingredients, just mix them up. Wonderful. Buckwheat flour. Here we go. Buckwheat flour is gluten-free, it's dark, it's textured. It's what the French traditionally make a savory crepe with. And what I'm showing you here is sort of just how it's a very thin batter, but it's still holding, even though it looks very thin, it's got body and texture to it. Okay? Crepe pan. You wanna know a little secret about crepes? The first one is always a disaster. Ladle, rubber spatula, knife, butter, pan, paper towel. Take less batter than you think, and just kind of do this. It's like 20 seconds to 30 seconds, and then you just want to, if you can. Okay? Not bad. Not bad. Take half a ham, some queso, like this. Fold it in half, like that. It's a beautiful thing. Flip it over. Okay? Let's see if we can do it again. Every time I stir the batter just a little bit, just to make sure that it's homogeneous, okay? Here we go. Uh-oh. Now, if there's too much, you can literally do this. And if you miss a spot, this works. I know it seems crazy. Oh. Ham. Cheese. Give it a little push down. That was almost a disaster, but we caught it. It's okay. So that's it really, guys. You can make these in advance. They're delicious, they're quick to make, they're fun to make, and it's engaging as a cooking thing because you're constantly adjusting the temperature of your pan and having to release things that are sticking. You have to pan toss. It's good for the mind. It's like yoga in the kitchen. Look at this. It's really, oh my goodness. Someone stop me, that is not safe for work. So simple.